Hey, what's up everybody? I want to do a quick review on these Kaiweets wire strippers. I'll let you know why I got them, give you a couple thoughts that I have about it, and then also do a just very quick basic demo of them so you can see my experience. So I went and got these. Honestly, a big part of why I got it is because they had really good reviews and the price point is definitely I was comfortable spending to give them a try. So far, for what I spent on them, I'm super happy. Haven't had any problems. But one thing I want to point out is that I have did see some reviews that talked about the screw cutters on these. I haven't tried it myself because that's not why I bought it. It's not what I needed it for. But I do know if you can see, I don't know. Hopefully, I try to angle it so you can see. I think I have those holes lined up. But if you can see in there, you can tell these holes, like inside of here, the metal, it's flat, right? So there's not sharp, there's not an actual cutting edge. I imagine, like I've cut lots of screws for cabinets and stuff. I imagine if you are cutting soft screws for those types of applications, they probably would work. If you are going to cut something like a hardened screw or something, probably would not work. So in that case, you might want something a little bit different. For lightweight jobs, definitely I think it would work. And for my purpose, cutting wires, it has been really good for me. It has really, I love the handles on these. Like I've had more expensive brands that didn't feel as ergonomic and as soft, so I do really love that about these. I have some wire. I mean, this is thin wire just to show you. I mean, the cutters on them, you know, I've been using them for a couple weeks. They work great. This is a 20 gauge wire. You know, it's all marked out for you like most wire strippers. You get it lined up and it strips with no problem. I know I saw a couple of reviews where people had problems, but I haven't had any problems with that at all. They do have crimpers on them here too. I haven't used the crimpers, only the strippers, like I said, and then, you know, kind of a little pliers there. I probably have used those to pull things. This is my LED strip. It's kind of just a scrap that I was using just as a demo. Cuts through those just fine, and that has, you know, a little copper band strap in it, some LEDs in it. So it cut through that really nice. Me personally, I am really happy with them. I think it's a really good quality, especially considering the price point. So anybody working around the house or, you know, just doing kind of handyman type stuff, I definitely recommend them.